But you must be wondering that why there are a lot of accounts like Dev 1, Dev 2, Dev 3 and all. Why there are so it's like this? Why there are so many on-prem servers? So I'll tell you. In every dev account, we have a multiple team members working on it, right? Let's say 5 members in Dev 1, 6 members in Dev 2 and all. And they are all working on their respective microservices. So all of the members, let's say if Dev 8 or Dev 9, their team members, what they will do, they will push their code to the int environment. So int is basically acted as a central branch for whom? For all these development account. They push all their code to the int environment and then the int pipeline triggered. Now what will happen? I'll show you. See, this pipeline will trigger once the developer pushes any code. So once it pushes any code, so you can see the then it will run the jobs and so. But first of all, they have to pass or they have to go through some security checks which I have implemented. Let's say the first one is at secret management, security analysis, static analysis, security testing, and all those stuff. So these are the security checks that that the code has to pass on it. And then once it is done, they will raise a PR to the QA, right? And QA has two jobs basically. They perform the manual testing and they perform the automated testing as well. And that is defined into two sections, QA and QAT. QA is the manual testing, QAT is the automated testing. That's why they are symbolized AT, QAT, automatic quality, automatic testing. Once these quality testing has been is passed, then they raise the again PR to the stage environment. Stage is basically there are stage, you can say it's a master branch for us, right? Where the final build happen. So once the code pushed to the stage branch, again they perform testing on this, right? The we have a quality team, we have a tester, they perform all those analysis and all, right? And then once it is done, the final push to the CI/CD and all, the final build is done. Then they move their final code to the sandbox. Sandbox is basically that our final environment where final image is there. You can say that, right? What we do, we basically use as a sandbox to pull our images, which has been built from this staging environment, and then we use that image to deploy into the client's environment. So this is our workflow, and it was fantastic. I mean, there are a lot of things to learn. Hope you will get to as well. Thank you.